Matthew 24:12 to 13, because of increase of wickedness, the love of most will grow cold. Dahil sa talamak na kasalanan na nangyayari sa mundong ito ngayon, ang nakalagay dito, as you read in Matthew 24:12 to 13, the love of most of many will grow cold. Ang pag-ibig ng tao sa Panginoong Diyos ay manlalamig dahil sa nakikita nila na talamak na kasalanan na nangyayari sa mundong ito. And we are at this point now. Nakikita natin ang kasalanan sa mundo, it is abounding. That is why ang mga iba, sasabihin nila, wala na yatang Diyos. Bakit ganito na ang mundong ito? So, ulitin ko, because of the increase of wickedness, the love of most will grow. But, in verse 13, the one who stands firm to the end will be saved. The ones who will stand firm until the end will be the ones to save. Only the ones who will persevere until the end will be the ones to be saved.